Good morning, this is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in a few moments, so let's see what happens. All right, I got filled here on trip at 67.75. I'd like to build a bigger position if I can, or I'm going to take the gain at 67.51. And there it is right there. Got the win for 120. Excuse me. I was thinking about it. That's why you see this pulled up over here. I was going to change that to a stop and just put my stop at 67.81. But if you go back and watch the video, I think as soon as I pulled up this to morph the plan a little bit to put in just a stop loss, it shot down and filled me. So the original plan worked. Like I said, after seeing how it started to trade, I was going to change things up a little bit in terms of just throwing in that stop. So I would have been risking about 6 to 10 cents because this one can move fast. So I would have wanted 6 cents, but it could have, stopped me out a little bit sooner. But nonetheless, I'm not going to complain about $120. So nice little opening trade there for a Monday morning. So let's see what else I can find. All right, have a order to short at 455 here, 1,000 shares, stop loss at 62. So I'm going to risk 7 cents, which would equate to about a $70 loss. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm in, and it's looking like I have a high chance of getting stopped out here, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm going to move that down. So now I am only risking about a 2 cents loss. There we go. Let's make this a winning trade now. And I'm out there for 4 cents. 3 cents. So $30 move there. But that's just risk versus reward trading there. If it falls back, let me bring up a little annotation thing here. So it may not seem like much, but who knows? If it would have ultimately fallen all the way down here, that would have been much more, but my risk was extremely limited at the get-go. So very happy with that trade. If you don't understand why I'm very happy with that trade, then I'm not saying this in a mean way or anything, but that just tells me you probably need a little bit more work on risk versus reward training, trade plans, and all that sort of things. And if you understand the total concept of I could have made a whole lot more than what I could have lost, then well done. And now it's heading a little bit more in my direction, but I was very happy with the trade. Hindsight tells me, you were too tight with the stop, but that's hindsight. We're all perfect traders in hindsight. Let's see if I can find another trade. Have an order in to try to pick up some shares here at 30.51, just an introductory order. Not sure if it's going to get back down there or not. So we'll see what happens on that. Well, we have a little downtime here. The big question I always get, especially with these videos, but rightfully so, it's quite logical. Hey Clay, how are you finding these setups? How are you finding these stocks to trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I'm using to find stocks that you've seen me trade today, and in other live trade videos. So if you think that could maybe add some value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say here, it is totally free. So a good risk versus reward relationship. Worst case, it's a total waste, but best case, it really helps you out. And it's not like you're going to waste a bunch of time on it because it's not like a multi-page a book or anything where you're going to spend a few days reading it. It'll literally just be a one-page document. So very good risk reward. Your time is very limited in it, so it's not like you can risk even wasting time. So check it out if you think that could help you out. Let's see if I can find. My goal is to find at least 1 or 2 more trades. All right, it is about 10 now a.m. and I'll be honest, I totally have not been looking to trade at all. Reason is we just posted our images from the Pittsburgh trip that we had for our chat room. We had our 3rd ever meetup in person. So I've just been going through the album here and just reminiscing. Pictures are great, so it was cool to meet all these people. And like I said, just going through those, totally not. We were cracking jokes in the chat room about things, about some of these pictures are pretty funny and adding our own captions. So I've been totally distracted, but this is why the pictures just went live. So this Thursday and Friday, I don't know if you follow my live or my trade or my chart videos that I do at the end of every day, but maybe you noticed that I didn't have any videos either Thursday or Friday. This is why, because I was busy traveling to Pittsburgh to meet up with some people. We had like 35 people, I think, which was very cool. So just kind of reminiscing about that. But I'm going to wrap things up here. Caught a couple good trades, nothing huge, but I'll take $150 for the opening 30 minutes. Maybe there will be more to come, but I have some other things that I gotta get done right now. We're going to be recording a Clay Trader Mail video here soon, and another video. So Mondays are always kind of busy, but that is where the day finally closed at 150. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please click that like button. That's the easiest way to tell me, hey Clay, keep making these. I find them worthwhile. Comments are always appreciated too. And if you want to keep up to date on all these videos along with the other types of videos I do, then just subscribe to the channel. And like I said, sign up for that guide if you think it could help you. And if you're interested in joining the chat room that I was just talking about, you can just go to claytrader.com and then up at the top, click on that inner circle tab, and you can learn more about that there. So everybody have a great week, and thanks for watching.